Is your enormous Excel sheet refusing to fit on a single printed page, leaving you with frustrating cut-off data? Don't despair. Today, I'm going to show you how to conquer those massive spreadsheets and get everything you need neatly onto one single printed page. First, let's get to the heart of the matter. Navigate to the Page Layout tab in Excel. Right here, you'll find the Scale to Fit section. This is our primary tool for making your data smaller so it fits. Click on the Width drop-down. From the options, select one page. This tells Excel to try and shrink everything horizontally to fit within one page width. Now, look at height. By default, it's probably set to automatic. If you also want to limit the height to a single page, click this drop-down and select one page as well. Instantly, you'll see a dramatic difference in your print preview here. Notice how the columns are now much narrower, fitting snugly across the page. However, sometimes even with scaling, margins can be a problem. Let's adjust those. Go to the Margins drop-down. Choose Narrow. This option provides more space for your content by reducing the white space around the edges of your printable area. If you're still struggling, the paper size itself might be the issue. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Scale to Fit group to open the Page Setup dialog box. Head over to the Page Options tab. Here, you can change your paper size. If you're currently using standard letter size, try switching to legal or even tabloid if your printer supports it. This gives you a physically larger canvas to work with. And there you have it. With a combination of scaling, adjusting margins, and sometimes a different paper size, your massive Excel sheets will now print perfectly on a single page, ensuring all your important data is visible and accessible.